In this lesson, we're going to talk about triangles. Number one, classifying triangles. Triangles can be classified by their angles. If a triangle has three acute angles, which are all less than 90 degrees, then this triangle is called acute triangle. If a triangle has one right angle, 90 degrees, then this triangle is called right triangle. If a triangle has one obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 but less than 180, then this triangle is called obtuse triangle. Triangles also can be classified by their sides. If all three sides are different, this triangle is called a scalene triangle. If two of the three sides are equal to each other, then this triangle is called isosceles triangle. If all sides are equal to each other, all three sides are equal, then this triangle is called equilateral triangle. Number 3, special parts. In chapter 2 lesson, I already introduced about sides and vertices of a triangle. But in right and isosceles triangles, some of their parts have special names. Number 1, right triangle. In right triangle, these two sides are called leg. So this is leg. Here's another leg. And longest side right here, the side that faces the angle 90 degrees, this side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay. Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal to each other, right? These two equal sides are called leg. And third side right here is called base. Okay? And angle right here, we have three angles here, right? Angle A, angle B, angle C. Especially this angle is called the vertex angle. So vertex angle is angle B. And these two angles right here, the angles with the base, right? Angle A and angle C, these two angles are called base angles. So base angles are angle A and angle C.